today's video, we're going to cook sweet and sour dried fish. And these are the ingredients we need. Soak the dried fish in the water for at least 5 minutes to remove excess salty taste. Meanwhile, prepare the other ingredients. Slice the tomatoes, red onion, and the garlic. Ingredients are now ready. Let's start cooking. Preheat cooking oil in a pan, then fry the dried fish. Flip it to cook the other side. Now, saute the garlic and red onion. Then, add the tomatoes. Next, add the sugar, vinegar, seasoning, and the black ground pepper. Mix it well and cover it until it simmers. Then add the dried fish and carefully mix it. Finally, we're done, and it looks so yummy. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.